If you're considering using Splitwise to manage your shared expenses, there are a few things you need to know before making that decision. In this video, we'll explore 12 key aspects that could help you decide if this finance app is the right fit for you, especially when comparing it to other popular expense management apps like Venmo or Zelle. First thing to consider is that Splitwise is designed specifically for splitting bills between multiple people. While apps like Venmo focus on peer-to-peer payments, Splitwise is built for detailed expense tracking and splits, especially useful for roommates, travel groups, or even business partners. Next thing you should know is that Splitwise automatically calculates the amounts each person owes and keeps track of who paid what. This makes it super easy to manage expenses, particularly in large groups, without needing to manually calculate who owes who. This feature is something Venmo doesn't focus on quite as much. The third thing is that Splitwise lets you add expenses in different currencies, which is a huge plus if you're traveling abroad or managing international finances. This flexibility is something other apps like Zelle and Venmo might lack, which often require both parties to use the same currency. Next, Splitwise offers an option to pay directly through the app with services like PayPal or Venmo. But it's important to note that this feature isn't fully integrated, meaning you'll still need to use another payment app to settle up, unlike Venmo, where you can directly pay your balance within the same platform. The fifth thing is that Splitwise is completely free to use, but if you want advanced features like automatic bill reminders or the ability to attach receipts, there's a paid version called Splitwise Pro. While the free version is functional, the Pro plan offers some nice upgrades. The sixth thing you should know is how Splitwise handles balances. It groups all your shared expenses, and instead of having 1,000 microtransactions, it just sums up what's owed and who owes whom. This makes settling up much more efficient than apps like Venmo or PayPal, which track each individual transaction. Next, Splitwise allows you to create groups for different occasions. So, if you're traveling, living with roommates, or sharing costs for a project, you can easily organize your expenses and keep them separate. This is better than using a general-purpose payment app where all transactions get mixed together. The eighth thing is its ability to manage complex splits. You can divide expenses unevenly, like when one person pays for more, or when there's a different share for certain items. This flexibility is something not all payment apps offer, especially the simpler ones like Zelle. The ninth thing to keep in mind is that Splitwise lets you keep a running total of your balances over time, which can be helpful if you need to track long-term expenses, such as rent or ongoing projects. This makes it more useful for budgeting than apps like Venmo, which focus more on one-off transactions. The 10th thing is that Splitwise allows you to add IOUs for informal transactions. This feature is great when you're splitting casual expenses with friends, but keep in mind that these IOUs don't get paid directly through the app, unlike the formal debts. Next, Splitwise integrates with Google Drive and Dropbox to store receipts or notes on transactions, which can be helpful for detailed record keeping. This integration is a nice touch that other apps like Zelle or Venmo don't have built in. The 12th thing is its ease of use. Splitwise is simple, clean, and intuitive, making it easy to jump in even if you're new to managing shared finances. It's faster and more user-friendly than some of the more complex alternatives out there. In conclusion, Splitwise is a solid choice for splitting expenses with friends, family, or groups, especially when you need detailed tracking and bill management. However, if you're looking for an even more efficient solution to manage your finances, check out our recommended alternative that you can try for free.